Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing the single, reliable method, large aperture plus distance control. Set your lens to the widest aperture available, then position the teacher several feet from the background. Once done, place small point lights behind them, fairy lights or distant bulbs, so they become out-of-focus highlights. Make sure ISO stays low to avoid noise. Select a shutter speed that keeps the subject sharp. Compose tightly, and begin with a test shot to confirm background lights resolve as soft disks. Once your initial setup gives soft disks, refine the effect by controlling distance and light size. Move the lights farther apart and increase the gap between subject and background. This makes each point grow and blur more convincingly. If you want custom shapes, create a template with a small cutout placed near the lens. This changes the bokeh outline. Make sure to focus precisely on the subject's eyes. Slight focus shifts drastically alter bokeh. Take multiple frames while tweaking distance and light placement. You finish by locking focus on the teacher's eyes and adjusting exposure so highlights from the lights remain round and not blown out. Once done, take a few variant frames, a hair light, a tighter crop, and a slightly wider aperture for comparison. Make sure to review at 100% to confirm bokeh quality. Then apply minimal edits to boost subject contrast while preserving soft highlights. If things go wrong, blurred subject or hard-edged bokeh, increase aperture or move lights farther.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.